Meaning of hazelnut.
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 Hazelnut. Hazelnut is a term used to describe the nut of the hazel tree. It is an edible nut with a hard outer shell that encases a small kernel. Hazelnuts are rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They are a popular ingredient in many cuisines, especially baked goods such as cookies, cakes, and spreads like Nutella. Hazelnuts also have potential health benefits, including improving heart health, reducing inflammation, and aiding in weight loss. Due to their delicious taste and nutritious profile, hazelnuts are a great addition to any diet.